Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you the new and improved sync status feature in Intune. Back in June, there was a lot of question from admins when you initiate a sync from the Intune, what actually happens? Is the device really syncing or not? How many policies are being applied? How many applications, how many scripts is that particular sync actually pushing to the device? Well, recently Microsoft introduced an improved way to track your sync status in real time, and in this video I will exactly show you how to use it. So now I am on my client machine, and let me go to the Intune portal and let me go to the devices. And when you go to the Windows devices, let me first show you the traditional way how we are synchronizing the device. So let me select one device, this one, and from here you can initiate a sync and click on yes. Now we can see that we are only able to see a message saying that sync initiated, but we are not able to get any information that what actually is initiated, whether the application is initiated, if yes, how many application, scripts, as well as the policies. So this is the traditional way to initiate a sync. But now recently what Microsoft introduced the modern way where you can track the status of your sync. So how to enable it and how to use it? So first of all, to enable it, make sure that when you are on the all device plate and click on the all device, you have to enable this preview new device view option. If you are not enabling this, you will not able to use this new sync status feature. So click on yes and then click on try it now. And now then what you have to do, you have to go to the device again. So this is my device. Now from here you have to start a sync. So let me run a sync and click on sync status. Now you can see that we are getting a detailed information about sync initiated, notifying device is completed. We can see that the policy status, application status, and the script status. Now we can see that 5 script offered, 8 application offered, and it is still processing the policies count. It will take some time to see the policy count. Now we can see that 8 out of 10 policies succeeded, and the sync is also completed successfully. So when you are monitoring this, please make sure that don't close this, otherwise you will not able to open it, and then you have to reinitiate the sync again. So this is how you can track the sync status by enabling the new device view and then initiate a sync. So that's all I want to show you in this video, how we can track the sync status in real time, and let me know in the comment section if you have any question on this topic.